Y'all know I'm going to Florida this week. Take me to Florida. We're going to Orlando to the Beautiful Minds event this week. So we've got to get some stuff done. All right, we got some errands to run. First, we need a bleach and tone. Like a bleach and tone. What do you mean? We got to get that done. We got to get our nails done. We got to go to the Target. And then I need to pick up my dress for the Prala from the Siebes dress. So let's go. Let's go. Nails are done. I got a pretty, like, kind of like a hot pink cat eye. I don't know how y'all like film in the nail salon. No, I can't do it, okay? I can't multitask while I'm sitting there. He was doing like one finger at a time on, like, he'd do this pinky finger, then the pinky finger on the other hand. I don't know. I couldn't do it. But they're Gorgina. Now I'm at the dress shop, so I'm gonna go pick up my dress real quick. I'm so excited. I hope that the little slit in the dress is sewed up enough where we ain't showing off the goodies. Let's go see. That did not go as planned. So when I first looked at it, it definitely looked better. My personal opinion, I think I could have went lower, like, you know, had them sew it up even lower. But when I came back out and asked about it, he said, if you want me to go lower, I have to open all back up, and that's not going to be till next week, which I'm leaving Thursday, so I can't do that. So I mentioned to him and showed him that I didn't feel like the stitching was gonna be secure enough, especially like when I sit down. It looked like it was gonna bust open, you know, and leave me like a busted can of biscuits. And I ain't trying to show off my goodies. Not my goodies, not my goodies, no ma'am. So he is reinforcing that for me right now while I'm at Target. So let's go in Target and grab some stuff that we need for this trip. Do you think this would look good with my dress? I'm not sure if I like it or not. Ooh, this would probably be good. Simple. Oh my gosh, the earrings are adorable. I love these. Are you joking me? This is so stinking cute. I need nail polish for my toes. Think that'll match? I think so. I need some eyelashes for the Prala. I feel like everybody wears wispies. Sunscreen, because I'm going to Disney. Ooh, what about little sunscreens? So I can take it with me. Let's do that. Let's just do a couple of them. An absolute necessity. Toothpaste. And a toothbrush. Ooh, wait. I found pink. Let's do some body wash. Some razors so we don't become a woolly mammoth while we're there. And I'm just gonna get this for other soaps. I lied. I think I'll get this one. I'm almost out of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some. Are you joking me? I mean, need it. And I'm out of eggs, so I need some. These look good. They're on sale. Yes, ma'am. And a marshmallow, but the second one back, please. I was looking everywhere for you. You're coming home with me. I am absolutely obsessed with these. For some reason, I'm always losing these, so let's buy a bunch. And I'm about to add these, so I need some. Okay, I'm changing my mind on these because I don't think the glue was in here. And I'm not buying glue separately because I'm cheap. Talking about being cheap and then spend more for eyelashes. What about these? 3/4 length? I bet those would look good. I think I'm going to try these. I don't know though. They say natural. Do I look like a natural girly to you? No. What about wild and wispy? Or definition? Wild and wispy? Let's get these. I literally just got my hair done. This has got to be a freaking joke.